This is our 40,000 volt shocker, and here's how you can make your own with minimal components. This shocker contains all necessary parts to function quite well. It basically consists of only 5 components that are all the basis of these different models. We got 3 different models that you can download below. Therefore, first of the smartphone size model with safety switch, the version that is fit into a PVC pipe, and also the last shocker, which is assembled on the fingertips of a glove with the cables running to a controller that you hold at your hip. I will now disassemble the device to further explain how it works. As the power source, you got a battery or any other electrical storage unit, however only up to 16 volts. As this is the maximum voltage to run the shocker, accordingly the HV converter safely. Moreover, the main switch that you have to switch on before usage, if you don't, the push button won't trigger. Of course, you have the main part of the build, which is the HV converter. To channel the current and thus direct it where you want, you have 2 electrodes that are ideal for the HV converter due to their near distance and therefore relatively low resistance. With the main importance being that the electrodes are made of a conductive material. In this model I have installed the electrodes in a 3D printed PLA container. In this container I can fixate the screws and equally the HV connections of the converter. Also, the electrodes are positioned with an angle to each other to prevent a shortcut anywhere else than at the tips of the electrodes. The output of the converter is furthermore fixated directly with the screws, so you can simply lose them when disassembling. Furthermore, you can see the screw that will serve as an electrode, with windings only at the base. That's it with the project, and we will see you next time, when we continue the coil gun.